Hello everyone, today we learn about GUI programming. In this we cover what is GUI, the GUI components, GUI in Python using tkinter. GUI is an acronym for Graphical User Interface. It's a system of interactive visual component for computer software developed in late 1970s by the Xerox Palo Alto Research Laboratory. GUI basically displays the object that convey information and represents actions and objects using GUI change color, size or visibility when user interacts with them. Apple's Macintosh and Microsoft Windows were the first to launch operating system with GUI. GUI can be further studied in terms of container, which contains several floating layouts, main loops, and components like canvas, button, label, text, etc. Python provides various options for developing GUI. One of the most important GUI used in Python is tkinter. It is the Python's interface to the tk-GUI toolkit shipped with Python. tkinter is the standard GUI library in Python. Python, when combined with tkinter, provides a fast and easy way to create a GUI application. tkinter provides a powerful object-oriented interface to the tk-GUI toolkit. Creating a GUI application using tkinter is an easy task. All we need to do is to perform the following steps. First, to import tkinter module. Second, create GUI application main window. Third, add one or more of the above mentioned widgets to the GUI applications. Enter the main event loop to take the action against each event triggered by the user to develop the application. Let's see an example. Step 1. Import tkinter module by using from tkinter import all. So we import all the libraries of tkinter. Step 2. Create a GUI application main window by doing main_window equals to tk main_window dot main loop. This creates a main window. You can see the output here, just a main window is created. Then step 3 is add one or more of the above mentioned widgets to the GUI applications. Like main window is one of the widget, and here in this we add some labels and text input boxes and a button. So how do we add labels? Main_window equals tk label main window. So we want to add this label to the main window, and the text for the label should be student name, and it is placed in a grid like 0 by 0 column. The student name label will be there. Similarly, class label will be placed at row 1 column 0 grid. And then against these labels we insert two text inputs, that is my name and my class. So here we use a text input using entry method. These text inputs are again added to main window and in a grid of row 0 in column 1. It has width of 50 and border width of 6. Then step 4, enter the main event loop to take the action against each event trigger by the user to develop the application. So we create an update functions. Just when we click on the update functions, role is just to print the name and the class that were inputted in text boxes. And one single button that we create is button. We add to the same main window, and the name of the button is update and the command also update, and it is placed in the row 2 and column 1 of the grid that we have mentioned here. So this is what we have added here. This is a window, main window. In that we have added two labels, student name and class, and two text boxes, and then update button. When we click on the update button, the output, the name of student name and class that we have taken will be outputted, will be printed here. Thank you.